In order to redeem codes in Neverness to Everness, what you want to do is go ahead and get past the tutorial and intro section, and then in the upper right hand corner, you'll see the cell phone looking icon. Tap on that icon there, and then you'll see 3 small dots in the upper right hand corner. If we tap on those, you'll see an option that says redeem code. You want to go ahead and type in the code, go ahead and tap confirm, and then once you're there, it says code redeemed, and check your mail soon. And then once you get past the intro and tutorial section, you'll see a mail icon there at the bottom of the phone. You'll tap on that and you'll receive all of the resources from that code. In order to do this over on the PC version of the game, you either want to hit escape on your keyboard to bring up your mobile phone device here, or just go ahead and hold down the Alt button on your keyboard and it'll bring up the mouse cursor, and then tap or click on the phone there. And then you want to click on the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner, go to redeem code. Once you've typed in your code, go ahead and click confirm. Once you've done that, it says check your mail soon. Click on confirm. And then once you get past the tutorial and intro section, right here on the same phone device, you'll see the mail icon. Click on that, and then you'll be able to redeem and get all of the resources from that code. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.